Hey, what's up guys, it's Jun aka Lex Q here, and today I'll be reviewing Armaggeddon Atom 3. It's a gaming headset. Alright, so let's unbox this. Alright, behold, the Armaggeddon Atom 1 gaming headset. Right, looks pretty solid. Let's go to body review. Okay, first thing I'm going to go through first is the headband. Okay, so the headband, the cover of the headband is made in plastic, but the protection of the headband is made with iron, so you don't simply stretch it because you will break it. Alright, maybe you can stretch it like this, but not like this. Okay, so for head cup, it will attract fingerprint. See? But no worries, you can simply just wipe it using a wet tissue or any wet cloth. So the colors appear in the head cup is actually RGB, but then you cannot customize it, unfortunately. So you will see a different color changing. Okay, so let's move on to the microphone. Okay, so for microphone, the body is made with stainless steel, so you won't simply break it. It's very well protected, and you can just stretch it whatever you want, or you can change the style whatever you want. Okay, so for the wire, you will see 3 wires. One is for microphone. You see microphone, the logo here, microphone. Then another one is headphone, and the other one is for the RGB color lighting effects. Okay, so you will need 3 of them. Below the head cup, you will see a scroller. It's for you to adjust the volume. Okay, so right now all the audio is actually come from this microphone. So I'm going to test on the audio quality and also the audio level that comes from the microphone also. So as you can see right now, my mouth to the microphone, the distance between my mouth and microphone is actually around 3 to 5 centimeters. So apparently the microphone level, the audio level is not as good as other gaming headset out there, but don't worry, you can always put it closer to your mouth like this, so you will get a better audio level also. So all the audios here is non-edit. It purely comes from the microphone itself. So okay, let's move on. Alright, so that's the end for the review. Thank you Armaggeddon Malaysia for sponsoring this such amazing gaming headset. So I will see you guys in next video. It's Jun aka Lex Q here, and peace out.